Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS Lambda with API Gateway integration, full guide step by step clearly. To activate AWS Lambda with API Gateway integration, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Lambda service from the Services menu. Click on the Create Function button to start setting up a new Lambda function. Choose the Author from Scratch option. Fill in the required fields, including the function name and runtime environment. Select an appropriate execution role for your Lambda function. After this, click on the Create Function button to proceed. You will now be taken to the function configuration page. In the function code section, write your Lambda function code or upload a zip file. Once you have configured the code, scroll down to the Configuration tab. Click on the Triggers section to add a new trigger to your function. Select API Gateway from the list of available triggers. Choose between Create API or use existing API based on your project needs. If you select Create API, specify the API type as a REST API and choose the security option. Fill in any additional settings, then click on Add. If you chose Use Existing API, select your desired API from the drop-down list. You will then need to configure the API Gateway. Navigate to the API Gateway service in the AWS Management Console. Select the API you just created or the one you want to integrate. In the API dashboard, click on Resources in the left column. Click on the Actions drop-down and select Create Resource. Name your resource and click Create Resource to add it to your API. With the new resource selected, click on Actions again and choose Create Method. Select Get, Post, or another HTTP method depending on your use case. In the Integration Type drop-down, choose Lambda function. Type the name of your Lambda function in the designated field. Ensure that the option to use the Lambda proxy integration is selected if needed. Click Save to confirm your integrations. Now, you need to deploy your API to make it accessible. Click on Actions in the top menu and select Deploy API. Select an existing stage or create a new stage for deployment. Name the stage and click Deploy. Once deployed, you will see the API endpoint URL. Copy this URL for testing your integration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.